if you get a good automated marketing funnel together, and I want you to write that term down, automated marketing funnel. If you get that together to where you're giving presentations in the middle of the night, it can be 2 o'clock in the morning, you're giving a presentation because it's recorded and they're seeing exactly what you provide as a real estate agent. So one of the coolest, I hate to call it a trick because it's not a trick, I would call it a technique. One of the coolest realtor techniques I've ever seen is understanding how to get someone's interest, get them to opt in with you, but then actually give them a presentation immediately so they can see exactly what you do, how you can help them, and whether they're a seller or a buyer, how you can best help them to get to their desired goal. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.